Hi, I'm Chad from Conair, and in today's video we're going to be talking about programming a recipe into your TruBlend blender with the SB5, that's the Smart Blend 5 control. We get a lot of questions about this, specifically when you're using REGRIND as an additive to your blend mixture. So let's look at the screen and I'll show you the setup. So I'm actually setting this up to run at an upcoming trade show. We're going to run a recipe of 20% REGRIND. You can see we've got our Viper granulator there that's grinding up all our scrap, feeding an access loader on top of the TB45 blender. We've selected bin number 1 because it has the largest dosing valve. So then I'm going into my home screen here. I'm logged in as the appropriate login level. You can see I've already named recipe number 3 MD&M West 2025. That's the trade show we're going to. We're going to mark component number 1 as REGRIND and set it at 20%. Then component number 2 is where we're feeding our virgin or our natural material. And a lot of people think they want to set this at 80%. But you can see the SB5 tells us that's only 80% recipe because you don't add these two numbers. The 20% REGRIND already has all the components in it of the original blend. So we need to change our natural to be 100%. And there you can see our total is 100%. And it's going to feed 20% REGRIND and the rest natural. If at some point we run out of REGRIND, it'll just feed 100% natural. You can go to press this button for the recipe book. Select this recipe. If I wanted to change the name, you hit the pencil button down here, and that allows you to change the name of the recipe. Save that recipe. That's saved as this recipe. I want to make sure it's highlighted. Verify my settings. Hit select. It's going to ask me, do I want to use this recipe for the next production recipe? I'll say yes. And we're all set with this recipe for our next batch coming through our Conair TruBlend blender. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you to understand how the recipe works on a TruBlend blender when you're trying to mix REGRIND and virgin material. If you have other questions or suggestions for other tips and tutorials, make sure you go ahead and email us at Conair or contact your Conair sales rep or Conair service technician. We'd be happy to help with those issues. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you again the next time.